In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautifully colored and customized image using Canva and the Image Colorizer app. This process involves a series of fun and creative steps, so let's dive right in and bring your artistic vision to life. First things first, head over to Canva. Once you're in, look for the Uploads tab, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that and select the image you'd like to work with. Now, with your image ready, it's time to add some text. Click on the text option, which allows you to type anything you want, be it a quote, a title, or just a word. Type it in and then move on to tweaking the size. You'll want to make sure your text fits nicely with your image, so go ahead and increase the size until it looks just right. Selecting the right font can really bring your design to life, so choose one that complements the mood of your image. Whether you're going for something bold or perhaps more subtle, ensure the font color is white so it stands out against the background. Once you're satisfied, copy your design. The next step is to add a new page. This can be done easily, and it's the perfect canvas for your second creation. Paste your copied design onto this new page. We're ready to download our masterpiece. Make sure to select PNG format and check the option for a transparent background. Remember, you only need to download the second page, not the first. After downloading, you can go ahead and delete the second page to keep your workspace neat. Now upload the PNG image to the first page where we started. Next, find the Apps section in Canva and type Image Colorizer into the search bar. This feature is fantastic for adding a splash of color to black and white images or enhancing colored ones. Select Image Colorizer and then click on your uploaded image. Feel free to adjust the colors to your liking. Sometimes a little tweaking is all it takes to perfect the aesthetics. Scroll down further to make the transparency level 100. This will ensure your new design blends seamlessly with the existing elements. Click Add to Design and remember to delete the initially uploaded image to avoid confusion. To make sure everything looks perfect, increase the size of your design until it fits well on your canvas. Use the Layer option, choose Show Layer, and then move the first design element to the second layer. Now, it's time to duplicate the image, adjust the size so it fits neatly, and move it to the second layer as well. Click on the image and apply the background remover to simplify your design further. Finally, click on your text and in the Effects menu, select a Hollow. Decrease the thickness until you achieve the desired effect, and there you have it, your final masterpiece. Thanks for following along, and happy designing with Canva.